In this video, we're tackling Code Monkey, and we're starting at challenge number 3. So in this challenge, we're introduced to 2 new commands or instructions. The first one is to turn left, and the second one is to turn right. Sometimes we need to make our monkey turn into a different direction in order to get the banana. So when I look at my screen, I have some code already written. It says turn left, step 12. Let's look at our monkey. The left side of the monkey shows that it has a watch or maybe a bracelet. So if I turn left and then step 12, the monkey will go in the incorrect direction. Let's just hit run and see what happens. Oh, that's not what I want. Um, Up pop. What I like about Code Monkey is that it gives you some hints. So we have a little hint that popped up that said use turn right instead of turn left. I believe that's helpful, so I'm going to hit the thumbs up button and keep trying. Instead of turn left, I'm going to erase left and type in turn right. However, if you are not a good typist or you don't like typing, at the bottom of your screen, you can see that there is a little button and you can click it and it types it in for you. Now, we know that if the monkey turns right, it will be facing the banana, but I am not sure that making 12 steps will get us to the banana. So I'm going to click on the ruler once, and I'm hovering over the monkey, and I'm going to click again and move it to the right, and I'm not holding down the left mouse key. Now, I notice that it kind of snaps to the banana and it says 12. So I think that's the correct number of steps. Let's hit the run button and see what happens. Yay! I've got 3 stars on this level. So that's how we get through challenge number 3. Let's take a look at challenge 4. Okay, in this level, we get to learn about how the buttons enter code for us. And I kind of showed you that last video, but let's just see. It says turn left. So I noticed that my monkey has a little watch or bracelet on its left hand. And so I want it to turn left to face the banana. Next, I want the monkey to step. So instead of typing in the word step, I can just click on that button and it will type it in for me. I don't know the distance between the monkey and the banana. So I'm going to click on the ruler and measure it, and it says 12. There's no numerical button on the bottom, so I'm going to use my keyboard and type in the number 12, hit the run. Yay! I love the little sound of the stars and the do 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 do. Lets me know that I got 100. All right, let's tackle one more level together. Challenge number 5. In this challenge, we get a hint from Gordo. That's this character right here. It says we need to walk around it. And if we look at this image, we see that there are bushes here, and the bushes are what we need to walk around. But before I did anything, I've got a hint that says I can set the volume and game speed here. So if you look on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you'll see a gear. When you tap on that, you can adjust the volume. You can adjust the background sounds. If I click on the note, it turns them off. If I click here, I can turn off the narration. And if I click on this speaker, I can turn off the volume. I can also adjust the game speed. It doesn't mean that it'll make me rush through the game, but it does mean that when I hit that run button, the monkey will move faster or slower depending on what I select. If I want the monkey to move faster, I'll scroll down to 1.5. And if I want the monkey to move a little bit slower, I do 0.5 or 0.25. I'm just going to leave the monkey on speed 1. Okay, so we need the monkey to get to the banana. Did you notice what happened? When I clicked on the word monkey, the name monkey was typed into the code editor. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to hit delete. I also want to highlight line 3 and hit delete. All right, so our first direction is for the monkey to turn left. And again, I'm going to look at the monkey's wrist and notice that he has a little watcher bracelet there. So I think turning left is the correct way. Then it says to step 5. Well, I'm not sure if 5 steps will get me where I need. I want the monkey to go to the banana, but I cannot go to the through the bush. Let's click on Gordo here. Gordo's hint says we need to walk around the bush. So can you think of a different way? All right. So let's use the ruler. We're going to click on the monkey and bring the monkey up to about 15. That looks about right, because my thinking is that if the monkey steps up here, then the monkey can go from here to the banana. So let's change the 5 to a 15. I know we're not done yet, but I always like to run my levels. Perfect. Now I've noticed that I'm in the right place, but I'm not quite done, and I have a hint. First, turn left, which I have, and then step, which I have. Then turn right to walk around the bushes. That was definitely helpful. So my next turn is turn right. And then I already measured the distance from about here to here, and it's about 15. So let's click on step 15 and hit run and see how we did. Yes, 3 stars. All right, if you'd like to see more levels, you can select the next video.